Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Hi guys and gals and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're doing well and the much awaited empties video is over here. If you guys watch my vlog, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. I have used these products for a good 8-9 months, so this will be a thorough video. One disclaimer that I would like to give you guys over here is कि जो भी products मैं आप लोग के साथ आज share कर रही हूँ, जिनका review मैं आप लोग के साथ share कर रही हूँ, वो मेरा personal review है. और अगर आपके सामने कोई ऐसा creator आया है जिसको ये product बहुत अच्छा लगा है, so definitely उसके लिए work किया होगा, because हम सबके pH level फर्क हैं, हम सबका hair type, skin type, everything is unique to us. Please just have this thing in your mind, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's just begin. Let's go. First we have this Mandelic Acid face wash from Gen Farm, and this one is a gem of a product. You get 100 ml of product और ये बहुत अच्छा face wash है. अगर आपको acne है, you have comedone prone skin, जो स्किन क्लॉग हो जाती है, पोर्स आपके क्लॉग हो जाते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. If you guys can see over here, तो इसके अंदर बीट्स हैं. तो अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, so I would definitely recommend you guys to try this one out. Now this here for face, I think so I was not really experimenting a lot. I use these products from Glowfill, and these are the two products that I'm going to talk about. The first one is their moisturizer. Love this one. It's non-comedogenic. It doesn't have any scent to it. It does smell slightly of something to my nose, but I got used to it and then I loved it. This is the closest to my favorite moisturizer, that is New Age, and you guys know मुझे वो moisturizer बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. The smell was not good, but overall I loved this product. This is Glowfill sunscreen, and this sunscreen is quite hyped. This is Water Glow Turmeric and Ceramides Tone Up Sun Shield. So you get SPF 60, PA+++. This is UVA and UVB protection. So you have deionized water. Then there is an ingredient that I'll mention over here. You also have glycerine, zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and ceramides, aloe vera extract, alpha arbutin, and chamomile leaf extract. So these are the first couple of ingredients that they have mentioned over here. So you can see कि इसके अंदर बहुत अच्छी ingredients मौजूद हैं. Overall, I would say I love this sunscreen 80%. This amount is enough for your entire fingers. Even आपके यहाँ तक भी ना ये enough होता है. And you can see, like ये मेरा normal हाथ है और ये है, इसमें glow है. It's not that कि ये मैंने अभी apply किया है तो ये glow है because ये अभी थोड़ा सा absorb नहीं हुआ है. No, it has a glowy finish. I will just say that it is a little bit sensitive around your eye area. अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive skin है मेरी तरह, तो थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर ख्याल करें. पूरे फेस के ऊपर इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद जो आपका बच जाए तो उसको आप इधर लगाएं. अदरवाइज आई रियली लाइक दिस वन. विद दिस सनस्क्रीन आई विल रिकमेंड कि अपने फेस को ना क्लेंस ज़रूर करें. यू थिंक दैट यू हैव ड्राई टू नॉर्मल स्किन टाइप, यू शुड टोटली ट्राई दिस वन आउट. इफ़ यू हैव सेंसिटिव टू ऑयली स्किन, जस्ट बी कॉशियस अराउंड योर आई एरिया. You will be fine. I have two serums over here from the Organic Traveler, and these are the serums that I used in the start of the year, and then I stopped using them. I will talk about the Clear Organic Traveler serum first. This is marketed as facial serum for oily acne prone skin. Off the bat you guys, ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी serum नहीं लगा. I will show you guys कि ये एक light oil सा feel होता है. Guys will be able to see over here. बिल्कुल एक ऑयल सी कंसिस्टेंसी इसकी है, एंड इट्स नॉट अ सीरम एट ऑल. सो थोड़ी देर बाद ये इस तरह से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, बट यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज शाइन. एंड आई यूज दिस इन द विंटर टाइम. आई कुड नॉट यूज इट once spring ended. तो इसके अंदर हमारे पास इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं jojoba ऑयल, तमानू ऑयल, लैवेंडर एक्सट्रैक्ट्स, and tea tree bark, lemongrass, argan oil. So as you guys can see, इसके अंदर oils ही oils हैं. So definitely इसकी consistency oil की तरह ही होगी. It's a really good face serum for one thing that you want to just add in your routine. गर्मियों तक आते आते you should not be using this, because if you live in a humid environment, so this can literally just mess up your skin completely. This is Quench by Organic Traveler, and this is a facial serum for dry, dull skin. I have a video using these products on my skin and I really like this product. I think so मैं ये सर्दियों के अंदर फिर से इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करूँगी. Just to give you guys an idea, you can see this is an oil. ये कितना ज़्यादा fluid है, you can see. So it's not a serum at all, it's an oil. You have avocado extract, rose extract, lavender, frankincense, rosehip seed oil and argan oil. आपकी स्किन के रूटीन जब आपने पूरी कंप्लीट कर ली है, so उसके बाद आप एज अ टॉपर इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. We have really amazing products in the market, but let's just say you want to try this thing, I would say कि हाँ सर्दियों के लिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So let's talk about some face masks and things that you use to really deep cleanse your skin. So the first one comes from Australia. This is something that I literally tried by luck, you guys. I was very lucky to try this one out. But honestly, after trying this and a couple more products from Australian brands, I am very surprised and impressed. मुझे ऐसा लगता है they make no fuss products that do the job pretty well and doesn't come in a fancy cutesy packaging, but it's fabulous. Like the product is fabulous. So this is the first product, you guys. This one is for your pores. It's Fast Fix Solutions Pore Shrink Pore Minimizer. This is like a clay mask. This smells medicine like. This is not your ordinary clay mask. It doesn't dry, it actually foams up. So this is how you apply it. And it's pretty much like a soap-like thing. That's what I used to feel. So it says over here that you have to massage over your pores, leave on for 5 minutes, and then rub off the mask with your fingertips. Avoid the eye area, use 3 times a week. Now, they have not written that you have to use water and all, but I just used to rinse this thing off and literally, you guys, मेरी skin squeaky clean होती थी. It's a very amazing product. I don't know, whatever they've put in it, it works. Dr. Botanicals CF Coffee and Walnut Superfood Renewing Facial Exfoliator. This is a product that I was excited about to the max. This was a total disappointment. It smells so bad. I cannot. It looks really, really nice because आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ ये chocolate की तरह है and all of that. But trust me, you guys, you don't want to put something like this on your face because it just makes you feel dirty. That's what I feel. मतलब कि maybe I don't like things that are like this, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी skin के ऊपर मुझे दिल करता था बस मैं इसे जल्दी से उतार दूँ. मैं इसको पूरा scrub भी नहीं करती थी and I used to just take this off. So I couldn't completely use this. And the beads हैं, but I didn't enjoy this product at all and मुझे इसको इस्तेमाल करके बिल्कुल भी मज़ा नहीं आया. This product, you guys, is from Symbiosis London and this is HA plus PG, which is hyaluronic acid plus papaya glycolic extract. This is an exfoliator that's good for your face. I love this. This is something that you should give it a go. Papaya is a very good ingredient for your exfoliation and renewal of your skin. थोड़ा सा आपको harsh feel हो सकता है, but it didn't kind of irritate my skin. But yes, I will say कि थोड़ा सा gritty है इसके जो particles हैं. Use it on your face, use it on other parts of your body as well. Amazing. I also tried this Au Natural Essential Day Cream this year and this is how it looked. This is for daily moisture to nourish skin. So I tried this in the winter season from autumn till winter. I've used the entire tub, but that doesn't mean I liked it. No. So I don't have the ingredient list with me, so I cannot really tell you guys the ingredients of this. इसकी fragrance बहुत ज़्यादा strong है and literally this doesn't blend on your skin. I have to show you guys. I don't know what they have put in it. Like it doesn't. So this is how it is. And I will try to blend this. It doesn't blend. It doesn't want to blend. And then it creates a film on your face और आपका मन करता है कि आप अपने चेहरे को धो लें. मतलब कि इस तरह से you can see the white particles that it leaves behind. It's really hard to blend. ये product मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. Let's talk about a hype product that I had no idea कि ये hype भी है. So this is the Lux Peach Glow Body Wash और जो quantity मेरे पास है वो 500 ml है. This is a very big bottle, you guys. It lasted me a good 7 months. It's a very good moisturizing, hydrating body wash and the scent does linger, you guys. इसकी खुशबू बहुत प्यारी है। आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि बिल्कुल एक पीच बाथ में आप आ गए हैं एंड यू गेट अ रियली गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस। सो दिस इज अ हाइड्रेटिंग बॉडी वॉश कि अगर आपकी डेड स्किन ज्यादा हो तो आप इसके साथ कोई स्क्रब जरूर इंक्लूड करें। आई थिंक दैट दिस इज अ रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट फॉर विंटर्स. For autumn it's really good. Until spring it's really nice and it doesn't strip your skin. You don't need a lot of product. It actually is like a bubbling effect as well. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ना foam भी करता है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Okay, you guys know I love Irani products. If you guys don't know, so I'm telling you, मुझे Irani products बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And you guys, this one is really good. I think this is close enough to Colgate in the Irani market. This is how it looks. और ये जो टूथपेस्ट है ये मैंने पूरा इस्तेमाल किया you guys. You know a strange thing about this one is कि it smells very aromatic, low key like medicine type, but मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है इसकी. It's very good, like senses के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा calming feel होती है मुझे. And this is not sweet. This is not as sweet as some of our Pakistani toothpaste. ये मुझे लगता है. अगर आप चाय पीते हैं एंड कॉफ़ी पीते हैं तो उसके हवाले से भी बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. ये जब मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही थी ना तो नेचुरली मुझे लगता था कि यार मेरे दांत बिल्कुल साफ हो गए हैं. यू नो दिस फीलिंग दैट यू गेट कि यार रिफ्रेश हो गया आपका मुंह, वो मुझे फीलिंग आती थी. एंड इसका जो इफेक्ट था ना वो लास्ट भी करता था. ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मुझे फिर से फील हो रहा हो थोड़े घंटों के बाद कि आई हैव टू ब्रश माई टीथ अगेन. So yes, loved this one a lot. First one is Water Vitamin CC Gel. तो ये फाउंडेशन नहीं है. It's not going to last the entire day. This is what I'm going to tell you guys. अभी मैंने यही लगाया हुआ है अपने फेस के ऊपर and you can see कि इसकी फिनिश काफ़ी ज़्यादा dewy है. I have powder on. उसके बाद भी ये इसकी फिनिश है. Let me come close and show you. So you guys can see कि this is glowy. I don't have any highlight on my face. तो इसकी जो फिनिश है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश जो एक होती है ना फिनिश, वो इसकी फिनिश है. इट्स लाइक अ क्लोज कोरियन इफेक्ट लाइक प्रोडक्ट यू कैन से. दिस ऑल्सो हैज स्किन केयर बेनिफिट्स इन इट, दैट्स व्हाट दे हैव मेंशन्ड. बट मैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो कि मेकअप रिलेटेड होता है उसको मैं कभी भी स्किन केयर के हवाले से नहीं लेती हूँ कि कवरेज जो है ना वो लाइट टू मीडियम है. ओवरऑल लव इट. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस इज आफरीन पैलेट बाय जे ब्यूटी. इट्स अ लव हेट रिलेशनशिप. यू गाइस कैन सी कि इसका पाउडर मैंने काफी ज्यादा इस्तेमाल किया है. आई लव दिस पाउडर, आई लव द ब्रॉन्जर, आई लव दिस हाईलाइटर, ब्यूटिफुल. बट ऑनेस्टली यू गाइस दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड द shades on the back and मुझे नहीं पता कि how can I find the shades. You can see इसकी swatches कितनी खूबसूरत हैं. So in the middle we have the face powder. This is the highlighter and these are the two bronzer shades. These blushers are also really nice, but you guys मुझे नहीं समझ में आया इन्होंने जब ये palette को डिज़ाइन किया. So why did they put the cream and the powder stuff all in one? This is the smallest brush that you can use for the blush. And you can see इसके बावजूद भी इसका प्रोडक्ट हर जगह पे चला जाएगा. So I don't like the packaging at all. मुझे लगता है सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाते हैं. It's not well designed. This is what I think. फेस पाउडर और फेस पाउडर को फिर उर्दू में भी लिखा हुआ है. इसकी जगह पर ये लोग इजीली लिख सकते थे कि ये फेस पाउडर का शेड कौन सा है. So कितना अच्छा हो जाता. So yeah. So this is my cult favorite. ये शेड मेरे पर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. This is from Benefit and it is in the shade Dandelion Dew. And this is a cream blush, you guys. I love this a lot. ये मेरा बहुत साल चला and eventually I was like I should finish it up because pretty sure कि expire हो गया होगा. You guys ये मेरी skin के ऊपर बहुत healthy look देता था. I just used to feel wow. ये अन्ना जान का product है और पिछले दिनों बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. So I just tried this on my lips and I fell in love. This is Rosewood Glow by Mario. This is a balm और इसको जब आप अपने लिप्स के ऊपर लगाते हैं लिटरली ये ठंडा कर देता है आपके लिप्स को. इट फील्स लाइक मेंथॉल ऑन योर लिप्स एंड इन अ गुड वे. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही हो and you just put it on, it just cools you down, you guys. I think so this is that product that I would put in my purse and I really enjoyed it, so I was like yeah, I should share it with you guys. Now in the hair category, you guys, I tried these shampoos from Pantene. You guys know कि इससे पहले मैं पाकिस्तानी brands try कर रही थी for my hair, but I've realized कि पूरी range नहीं होती पाकिस्तानी products के अंदर, so it just gets a little bit tricky for somebody like me. I just feel at this point I don't want to jinx it for myself, so I went ahead and I tried the Pantene this version. This is their anti-hair fall version, and then I also tried their smooth and strong version. From both of these, I will say that the anti-hair fall version worked really nicely for me. इसने मेरे बालों को soft भी किया था and manageable भी किया था as compared to the smooth and strong version. The smooth and strong version, I think so, it's basically meant for strengthening your hair. तो वो strength तो देता है आपके बालों को, but उतना ज़्यादा hydrating नहीं होता बालों के लिए. It gave me knots in my hair as well. So that's one thing that I experienced. You guys, I tried 2 products from Zonanos. The first one is their hair mask growth, strength and softness 3-minute solution mask, and you put this on your hair, and you can also use this as a deep conditioning mask. So it says that gently comb hair and make sections, apply mask generously and spread evenly across the scalp and hair length. Gently massage for complete coverage. Leave on for 3 minutes and rinse with water. Follow with shampoo and conditioner. So basically they are telling you to use this prior to your hair wash. I used to use it as a mask and I never applied it right in the root area because this is very hydrating. So it looks like mayonnaise to me, mayonnaise like cream. This is how it is. So it's literally a cream. Initially this was amazing for my hair, but I feel that this is really good for people who have curls. And for somebody with my hair type, this was not great because on the second day I felt like my hair were like straw. It was a weird feeling, like they were moisturized but like a straw. So if you have dry hair that are curly, I think you might like this product. I just feel that I eventually could not use it at all. The next product from Zonanos is their all-in-one serum. This is a serum that you use after shampoo, and this is like your silicone serum that tames the frizz. I have this on right now and I do want to say that you guys, you can see that my hair looked like a natural texture, nothing fancy about it. It's not taming the frizz, that's what I feel. Overall, this is a really nice product for somebody with fine hair, but जिस तरह से मेरे बाल हैं उसके ऊपर ये नहीं टिकता. It doesn't give me a sleek look जो कि मैं expect करती हूँ एक silicone based product से. And also I do think कि मैं इसके ऊपर count नहीं कर सकती हूँ on my bad hair days. It's written that it's for anti-frizz, ultra shine and heat protection. I think it's marketed very deceivingly. I don't think that's what it is. इसने कोई कमाल नहीं किया मेरे बालों के ऊपर. I would put it in the category for product that's good for fine hair and a product that's good for kids because it's lightweight, बिल्डअप नहीं होता एंड फुली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड उनके बालों को वे डाउन नहीं करेगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. दिस इज द फेमस Rika हॉट वैक्स बीन्स. दीज आर प्रिटी इकोनॉमिकल आई वुड से बिकॉज अगर आप पूरा टब नहीं बाय करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन. सो दीज आर द बीड्स. योर स्किन इज नॉट ओवर सेंसिटिव एंड इट डजंट पील. तो दिस वर्क्स के लिए आपको वैक्स हीटर चाहिए होगा and you will be good to go. It's a genius product. I feel कि ये as compared to the strip wax, this works really effectively, and I think it's a hit that I can recommend any day to anybody out there. This and sugar wax, these two things work really nicely. So yeah, try to learn how to use it if you don't know, and definitely give it a go. So these were also pretty hyped and I was so excited जब मेरे पास ये आए थे and I was really happy. I was like यार मतलब अब तो wet wipes की तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. But honestly you guys, these are pretty dense. अगर आपकी environment humid है so they will not dry. If you have a microfiber towel तो वो बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करता है as compared to this. So I will say कि get that because that's more effective as compared to this. If you guys know me, so I am a body mist and perfume girly through and through. So I tried this year, and this is Ted Baker's Peony and Camellia body spray. This is my scent in a bottle, you guys. This is how I would like to smell 365 days. I know ये कुछ लोगों के लिए night scent होगा, but मेरे लिए तो ये all day scent है. It's very calming. It's just a calming scent to my nose. It's not overly sweet, so it's like a I get that salt, water, floral, something like that. That's what I get from this. That's exactly how I like my perfumes to smell like. Next, I have this perfume. This one is from Cook, and I have no idea ye brand kaun sa hai. Literally, I don't know. This was a gift given to Amma Jan, and Anna Jan was like, this scent is too light for me, so you give it a go. And I love light perfumes because they last really well with my body's pH somehow. It's a feminine scent, I will say this. It's sweet. It's a very elegant lady that enters a gathering. So it is sweet, but then it becomes very like ocean-like, but not exactly ocean-like, like sweet ocean, aquatic, that kind of scent. And this is a scent that I would expect to smell in a wedding. ये बहुत sophisticated perfume है. You do need to develop this. Like you do need to keep it aside for it to kind of shine through. The lasting of this perfume is not that great. If you have tried this and you know the notes, please tell me in the comments. A perfume oil that you guys know, it's my obsession at this point. You guys, this one is from Scent and Stories, and you can see it's loved a lot. तो इसकी हालत क्या हो गई है? This is Flores. This is a dupe for Gucci Flora, which used to be my favorite. It was my signature perfume, honestly. When I came across this, I was very surprised, and I was like, हो सकता है कि ये इस तरह से smell कर रहा है, but it will not, you know, be like that one. To my nose, it's pretty close. अगर आप कभी भी इसके chaos के सामने से गुजरे ना, have a sniff of this, you guys. It smells pretty close. इसकी lasting बहुत अच्छी है. ये मैं अपनी skin के ऊपर लगाती थी. It used to last me, and I could smell it in the evening as well. It's really nice. They have really good impressions of very famous perfumes, and I'm just excited कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर ऐसा कोई brand है जो कि इतने अच्छे impressions कर रहा है. The only thing is sometimes it leaks from here, so I feel that they can improve that, but overall love it. You get this kind of a roller over here, so it's not plastic, it's like a metal or something. So love this. I have this candle with me, and this one is from the Karachi Candle Company. This one is in white champa. You guys, this burns so nicely. मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए इस तरह से रखी है. Honestly, I don't know, should you burn all the way or not? Do you guys do that? मुझे लगता है कि शायद नहीं करना चाहिए. But this burns really smoothly. The scent is very authentic. It smells exactly like champa. One thing I will say कि इसका जो scent है वो strong है. So अगर आपका छोटा सा room है तो उसके अंदर आप overwhelm कर सकता है. If you want a candle for your drawing room and a very big place, a very big room, these ones are amazing because इसका जो burn है ना बहुत अच्छा होता है. और भी बहुत सारे brands हैं जो कि बहुत अच्छे हैं, but ये वाला मैंने try किया है. Hands down the best. With that, you guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love sharing all the stuff with you guys. बहुत सारे products थे. Thank you so much for listening to me for that long, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself and let me know आप लोगों ने कौन से products इस्तेमाल किए इस साल. I would love to know. Rubber Khan, guys and gals. Bye.